In 1968, a Soviet nuclear missile submarine vanished in the Pacific Ocean. The submarine was K-129. It carried nuclear weapons and more than 90 crew members. It never returned to port. The Soviet Union launched a massive search, but the ocean revealed nothing. The submarine had simply disappeared, but someone else had heard it. Deep underwater listening systems used by the United States had recorded a violent acoustic event in the Pacific, a sudden sound consistent with a catastrophic explosion. Analysts calculated the possible location, nearly 5,000 meters below the surface. At that depth, pressure is crushing, and darkness is permanent. Finding the submarine would be difficult. Recovering it seemed impossible. But the CIA had a different idea. If the wreck could be raised, it might contain Soviet nuclear missiles, encryption machines, and military secrets. The agency launched one of the most ambitious intelligence operations of the Cold War. They would attempt to steal the submarine from the ocean floor. To hide the mission, the CIA built a massive ship called the Hughes Glomar Explorer. Officially, it was a deep-sea mining vessel searching for minerals. In reality, it carried a giant mechanical claw designed to descend nearly 5 kilometers into the ocean. In 1974, the ship arrived at the recovery site. Slowly, piece by piece, engineers lowered the claw toward the seabed. Weeks passed as the machinery descended into darkness. Finally, cameras revealed the wreck of K-129 resting in the sediment. The claw locked onto a section of the submarine, and the lift began. For days, the ship slowly pulled the wreck upward through the crushing pressure of the deep Pacific. Then something went wrong. Part of the submarine broke free and fell back into the abyss. Only a section remained in the claw. That fragment was pulled inside the ship, hidden from the outside world. Exactly what was recovered remains partly classified even today, but the mission proved something extraordinary. During the Cold War, the CIA had attempted to recover an enemy nuclear submarine from 5,000 meters below the ocean, and for a moment, it almost worked. Deep beneath the Pacific, most of K-129 still lies in darkness, a silent relic of the Cold War, and one of the boldest secret operations ever attempted at sea.